This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by the Pam and Stacy team. Less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, less than bedroom greater than LIC number 01264256 and LIC number 01984956. Private, single-level home with 2 master suites. The home sits up on a knoll, and features an attached 24 feet by 28 feet oversized 2-car garage. The great room features an open floor plan for the living room with stone fireplace and wood-burning insert, galley kitchen with breakfast bar, open dining with pantry and access to the backyard through the sliding door. The 2 master suites lie on each side of the great room, and the master baths have a tub/shower combo. There is outside access from one of the bedrooms. Laundry hookups in the garage. There is a covered front porch area to enjoy the nature around you and large backyard to put your own design on. Evaporative cooler, Sonora Meadows mutual water, and community pool, septic system complete the picture. For more information, review the details below or contact the Pam and Stacy team. Less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, less than bedroom greater than LIC number 01264256 and LIC number 01984956 at 209-532-6993.